When boarding a train at this station, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. The riding of bikes is not permitted on the station. Please alight and walk with your bike. Thank you.
What? What, are they every half an hour?